today? It's a sun new day, bright new day, it's Monday. And well, how was your weekend? Did you do anything special? How was it? Did you enjoy? Yes? No? Nobody? Okay, please turn off your camera, guys. I can't see you at all. Well, as I told you last week, today we're going to talk about student fatigue. I would like to discuss the symptoms of student fatigue, but first of all, I would like to know what student fatigue means for you, what it means for you, and what comes to your mind when you think of this word, when you hear fatigue. What is it? For example, any volunteers? No? No volunteers? It's always the same, but well, what else? What else can I do? Yes, Maria, please. Oh no, Maria, I can't believe. Are you still there? You're sleeping one more time. Guys, what can I do with that situation? This situation, I can't do anything at all. I mean, I'm always trying, but she's always falling asleep. Can you please call her or something? Yes, give her a call to see if she's coming back or not. It's just so frustrating that I can't believe this is happening to me. I just wonder how things are like this. Good morning, guys! It's a bright new day. And here we are, it's Monday. And well, it was a nice weekend that we had. I hope you really enjoy yourselves. What was the most meaningful thing that you did this weekend? Yes? Right! Yes, Blanca, wow, it was fantastic, wasn't it? I'm glad you had time to spend with your family and friends. Yes. Also, Luis? Yeah? Oh God, you went to your favorite artist concert. Yeah? Who was it? Coldplay. Oh my God, I always wanted to go to see him. Yes, he came to Barcelona. Yes, I know. Wow, that's so brilliant. That's amazing. Well, you might be wondering why I'm wearing these sporty clothes today. Why I'm standing up. I'm usually sitting, but well, today's a new day. Because I wanted to start this lesson with a few stretching exercises. So please everyone stand up. Yes, stand up. Exactly, guys. I love that you have your cameras on. That's brilliant. And if you don't, yes, Maria, I can see you have your camera off. Yes, please put it on. Exactly, turn it on. And everyone, well, how to start? First of all, let's breathe in. Out. In. Out. Brilliant. And now let's make some movements with our neck. Exactly. And stop. Brilliant. I think you are sleeping. You're falling asleep. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Yes, of course you didn't sleep. But yes, so I want to also go on with some stretching. Yes. So put your hands up, down, legs. Excellent. Brilliant. Thank you, guys. Sit down, please.